नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् चितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावना नमस्तेस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मिसृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः कुलद्वयेऽपि च उच्छिन्ने स्त्रीभिः कार्याः क्रिया नृप संघात अन्तर्गतैर्वापि कार्याः प्रेतस्य च क्रियाः उत्सन्न बन्धुरिक्थाद्वा कारयेदवनीपतिः पूर्वाः क्रियाः मध्यमाश्च तथा चैव उत्तराः क्रियाः त्रिप्रकाराः क्रियाः सर्वाः तासां भेदं शृणुष्व मे। आदाह वारि आयुधादि स्पर्शादि अन्तास्तु या क्रियाः ताः पूर्वा मध्यमा मासी एकोद्दिष्ट संहिताः प्रेते पितृत्वमापन्ने सपिण्डीकरणाद् अनु क्रियन्ते याः क्रियाः पित्र्याः प्रोच्यन्ते ता नृप उत्तराः. So there are three types of samskaras, antyakriyas, and they are divided into three, Purva, Madhyama and Uttara. The Purva Karyas are those which you perform right from the beginning of Adaha, Vari Ayudhadi, Sparshadi, Antaha. So starting from the Pretadaham, burning of the body, to the Shuddhikaranam. So until the Ashaucham is done, at the end of the Ashauchakam, when you want to get purity, you touch one of the items which are prescribed for each Varna, and until those, whatever Kriyas are done, whatever actions or rituals are done, those rituals are called Purvaha Kriyaha. Madhyamaha Masi. Every month that we do Masikam Sodakumpam, that is called Masik Kriya, that is Madhyama Kriya. And then Uttara Kriya is Sapindikaranad Anantaram. Assuming that going by the one that is the olden method or the ancient method of doing Sapindikaranam at the end of a year, it is after that Sapindikaranam, any Kriya that comes about is Pitra Kriya, so which is Uttara Kriya. Okay, just have a couple of shlokas left in this adhyaya and then we can move on to the next adhyaya. Pitra matra sapindaistu samana salilais tatha sanghata antargatairvapi ragnya taddhana harina purvaha kriyaha cha kartavyaha putradhyaihi eva uttaraha dauhitrairva nripasreshtha karyaha tattat tanayais tatha. So if the person is not present, let's say the karta is not present for the purva kriya, then anybody can do the purva kriya. Pitra matra sapindaihi. Sapinda, that is those who are dayadas, who are the 7 generations of Pitra and Matra side, both the father and the mother's patriarchal and paternal and the maternal side of relatives who are connected by the Pindam. They are Pitra Sapindaha and Matra Sapindaha. Either by them, Samana Salilaihi, those who have the right to give water, Sanghata Antargataihi, those who are within the friend circle, Ragnya, Tad Dhana Harina, the person who has taken the money of the person who has deceased, Ragnya by the king, anybody who performs can perform the Purva Kriya. Purvaha Kriyaha Kartavyaha. If the direct lineage is absent. So putradhyaihi eva cha uttaraha kriyaha sapindikaranat anantaram yaha kriyaha vartante tascha putradhyaihi eva kartavyaha. Only children or grandchildren, dauhitraihi, grandchildren through the daughter, va karyaha tattanaihi tatha, or by their progeny. Only the progeny of the person who has deceased can perform the Uttara Kriya. Purva Kriya can be performed by anybody. Mrita ahanicha kartavyaha strinamapi uttaraha kriyaha. Even for women and young children, the Uttara Kriya have to be performed on the day that they passed away. Prati Samvatsaram. Every year the Uttara Kriya has to be performed. Eka uddishta vidhanataha prati samvatsaram mrita ahani strinamapi uttaraha kriyaha kartavyaha anvayastu tatha. So Rajan, he Sagara, एकोद्दिष्टविधानतः adopting the method of ekodishtam is towards that particular person as addressed to the as per the ancestral rites or it performed with that person in mind. Okay, that is ekodishtam. Ponadaro paatho nama prativatsaram, every year uttaraha kriyaha kartavyaha, the uttara kriyas have to be done on the day. Uttara kriya is again the division of purva, madhyama and uttara. So the uttara kriyaha have to be done on the day of the person passed away. You take the tithi. तस्माद् उत्तरसंज्ञाः संज्ञायाः क्रियाः ताः शृणु पार्थिव यथा यथा च कर्तव्या विधिना येन च अनघ. हे अनघ पार्थिव, faultless king, अनघ पार्थिव, तस्मात् उत्तरसंज्ञायाः क्रियाः, the rites that have to be performed after that ityukte after the all of the ancestral rites, shraddhadihi. So taha kriyaha yatha yatha kartavyaha vidhina, the rule by which it has to be performed, and yena cha kartavyaha, and by who has the right to perform the shraddha, and in what manner should they perform the shraddha. Taha shrunu, so listen to them. So the next adhyaya talks about shraddha vidhi, shraddha palan, etc. So iti Vishnu Mahapurane तृतीयांशे त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः. Okay. अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः श्राद्धफलश्रुति. So what is the phalam, the result of performing shraddha? Vishesha shraddha phalam. So Vishesha shraddham, இப்போ இந்த ஷண்ணவதீம்ப 96 shraddhas in a year. So some are called kamya shraddham, some are called regular kartavya shraddham. So Vishesha shraddham is if this particular nakshatra is combined with this particular tithi and you do that tarpanam on that day, shraddha on that day, what is the phalam? So that is the Vishesha shraddha phalam. Pitrigita varnanam. There is a Gita, Pitrigita, which is said by Sanat Kumara, and we are going to go through these topics in the 14th adhyaya. Aurva Uvacha Brahmendra Rudra Nasatya Suryagni Vasu Marutan Vishvedevan Pitriganan Vayamsi Manujan Pashun Sarisripan Rishiganan Yatcha Anyat Bhuta Samgnitam Shraddham Shraddhanvitaha Kurvan Prinayati Akhilam Jagat. Yatcha Anyabhuta Samgnitam Tan Sarvan Prinayati. Connection is in that manner. Okay. So a person who performs Shraddhanvitaha with a great devotion, Shraddham Kurvan, he performs the Shraddha and Prinayati. When he performs the Shraddha, so Shraddhanvitaha Shraddham Kurvan, performing a shraddha, when a devout or a devoted person who has that vishwasa and he is extremely involved in that, when he does this shraddham, he prinayati, he pleases akhilam jagat, the entire world, yaccha bhuta samhitam, yaccha anyat bhuta samhitam, and any other bhuta rashi which I have not listed in this list. Who are all those people? So he first pleases Brahma, creator, Indra, Rudra, Shiva, Nasatya. Rudra here is different from Shivamba. Silape. Okay, Nasatya is Ashwini Kumara, Surya, Agni, Vasu, Ashtavasu, Maruta, Marutan, all the 49 Marut Gana. So Marut Ganan, Vishvedevan, Pitraganan, Vishvedeva and Pitragana, these are Vishvedevas are a set of Pitraganas also. So they are the bodyguards and all. Yeah? So Vishvedeva and the Pitris, the ancestors, Rishiganan, Vayamsi, birds, Manujana, people, Pashuna, animals, Sarisripan, reptiles. Rishiganana and sages and any Bhutarashi which I have not named here. Anything that is being called as a living being, all of those people are pleased by the Shraddham that we do. So it is not just to please our own family, our own ancestor, iti nasti, because there is a Vikirannam that we do during the Shraddham, which goes to every Jantu and every living being who have not gotten that the rights that they have to get. If in that family nobody has done rights for them, this Vikirannam goes for them. So a Brahmana doing these samskaras is not just for himself but lokakshemartham. Masi masi asite pakshe. The same thing is going to be repeated later also in a different way. So masi masi asite pakshe panchadashyam nareshwara tatha ashtakasu kurvita kamyan kalan shrunushva me. So kurvita, shraddham kurvita, when does he have to do? Masi masi, every month. Asite pakshe, Krishna pakshe, panchadashyam, on the 15th day, that is Amavasya dinam, and ashtakasu, and during Krishnashtami. So there are 3 Krishna paksha Ashtami. அது ஒன்று. ஸோ திஸ் அஷ்டகாங்கிறதுக்கு வந்து there are 2 interpretations. In Vishnu Puranam, he only takes this first interpretation because later also he says Tisraha on 3 Ashtami, Krishna Paksha Ashtami. So Agrahayanyat Urdhvam Tisraha Krishna Ashtamyaha Agrahayaningarthu Maghamasam. So the 3 Krishna Paksha Ashtami are named as Ashtaka. Illena, another interpretation, according to Ashwalayana Grihya Sutram, Hemanta and Shishira Ritu, which has 2 months, so 4 months, there are 4 Shukla Paksha Ashtami there, which are called Ashtaka. So this is very specifically to one particular sutram that there are 4 Ashtakas and they are Shukla Paksha Ashtami, not Krishna Paksha Ashtami. It is in very one particular sutram that this is given. So tatha ashtakasu, on those ashtaka days also a person has to perform shraddha. Atha kamyana kalana shrunushva me. Now listen to the kamya kala, the time where you do the kamya shraddham. Kamya shraddham angarche something that you wish for, some phalam, no? Phalana எதிர்பார்த்து செய்யறதா?
கீதா புஸ்தகம் நித்திய ஸ்ராத்தம்ங்கற சில பேர் நித்திய ஸ்ராத்தம் பண்ணுவாங்க.
நித்திய ஸ்ராத்தம் வந்து அந்த ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு தான் பண்ணுவாங்க.
அதுதான் சொல்றது வழக்கம்.
தெரியல. அதாவது ரெண்டா பிரிக்கிறா. காமிய ஸ்ராத்தம், ரெகுலர் ஸ்ராத்தம்னுட்டு. ஸோ காமிய ஸ்ராத்தம்ங்கிறது ஒரு அந்த டயத்தை அந்த சேரும் பொழுது நம்ம வந்து இப்போ கிரகணத்துக்கெல்லாம் வந்து பண்ணும் பொழுது இட் பிகம்ஸ் அ காமிய ஸ்ராத்தம்ங்கிற. இட் இஸ் நாட் அ கர்த்தவிய ஸ்ராத்தம் இல்லை. ஸோ இட் இஸ் அன் ஆப்ஷனல் ஸ்ராத்தம்ங்கிற. திலதர்ப்பணம் பண்ணுறது இஸ் ஹிரண்யம் தானே, பட் அன்னஸ்ராத்தமாக பண்ணுறதுங்கிறது இட் பிகம்ஸ் அ காமிய ஸ்ராத்தம்ங்கிற. ஐ டோன்ட் திங்க் இட் இஸ் த மீனிங் காமியம் எடுத்துக்கணுங்கிறது இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஐ திங்க் அதில் வந்து ஒரு இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அ டிவிஷன் ஆஃப் டைப் ஆஃப் ஷராத்தம்னு எடுத்துட்டுருணும். ஷராத்தார்ஹம் ஆகதம் திரவியம் விசிஷ்டம் அதவா த்விஜம் ஷராத்தம் குர்வீத விஜ்ஞாய வியதீபாத்தே அயனே ததா. பத்தேளா, அதுதான் காமிய ஷராத்தம். ஸோ when a dravyam, when a vastu has arrived, in the sense when any object that is any particular offering that you want to give, and that when a distinguished guest arises or a particular circumstance has occurred, shraddha arham dravyam vishishtam va dvijam. Either a vishishtam dravyam can be an occasion or it can be a vastu that you have gotten. So immediately you want to offer your worship to the ancestors also through shraddham. So it is a shraddha arham agatam dravyam. குழந்தை பிறந்தது மாதிரி விஷயங்கள்லாமும் is taken as a special circumstance. Vishishtam dvijam, if a particular brahmana, as distinguished brahmana has arrived, then on account of that you do Shraddham. Vijnaya, having known that a person has arrived, you perform the Shraddham on that particular day, which is called Kamya Shraddham. Then, Vyatipate ayane tatha Shraddham kurvita. Everything has to go and connect with Shraddham kurvita now. Okay? So, Vyatipate. Vyatipatamna... அயனம்ங்கிறது தட்சிணாயனம் உத்தராயணம் அதை சொல்கிறது. விஷுவங்கிறது அடுத்தத்தில் மிதுன இது மேஷம் அண்ட் துலா சங்கராந்தி. உத்பாத்தம் எனி காமெட் வருது அந்த மாதிரி. காமெட் வியதிபாத்த இஸ் எனி கலாமிட்டி. கரெக்ட். if there arises any calamity, immediately you can do Shraddham. Or the day of full moonங்கிறார். இது வந்து பௌர்ணமாசி சோமவார பௌர்ணமி becomes a வியதிபாத்த. அது ஒன்று சொல்கிறா. ஆர் வியதிபாத்தம் கேன் மீன் ஜஸ்ட் மகா உத்பாத பேதா. இப்போ ஈவன் கோவிட் ஆர் சம் பிக் calamity that attacks the entire லோகம், then it is considered as Vyatipata. Ayane tatha Dakshinayana Uttarayana. Vishuve, Vishuvaha Mesha Sankranti Tula Sankranti cha prapte grahane Shashi Surya Yoho. Surya Grahanam, Chandra Grahanam. On those days also you do Shraddham. Samasteshu eva bhupala rashishu arke gacchati sati. Arke samasteshu Rashishu gacchati sati. When the sun enters into every Rashi, you have to perform a Shraddha. Okay? So, then Vishuva Kalam becomes Mesha Sankranti and Tula Sankranti. Mesha Sankranti and Tula Sankranti are included in this Samastha Rashi. Appo edukku why this repeat na? It just shows that Vishuva Punya Kalam has a double or triple phalam than other Rashi Sankranti. Adukkaga solra. So these two are more Punya Kala than the others. So he takes it separately and it is called.
மாசம் பிறக்கும்போது தர்ப்பணம் பண்ணணும். மாசம் பிறக்கணும்.
ஆமா, மாச தர்ப்பணம் உண்டு. அதுல அந்த மேஷ மாசம் துலா மாசம் ரொம்ப விசேஷம்ங்கிறதுனால விஷுவான அதுக்கு புண்ணிய காலம் போடணும். நக்ஷத்திர கிரக பீடாசு துஷ்டஸ்வப்ன அவலோகனே இச்சாஸ்ராத்தானி குருவி. இதுதான் காமிய ஸ்ராத்தம். ஓகே. நவசஸ்ய ஆகமே ததா. ஸோ காமிய ஸ்ராத்தம் நக்ஷத்திர கிரக பீடாசு. நக்ஷத்திர பீடா or graha peeda, when we undergo any difficulties because of this particular nakshatram, a particular person undergoes graha peeda because of a particular planet, then you can do ichha shraddham. You do a shraddham. இது வந்து கர்மகாண்டத்தினுடைய ஒரு பிலீஃப்னால பிஃபோர் எனி பூஜா ஆர் பரிகாரம் அதெல்லாம் வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி தி ஒன்லி திங் வி ரிலைட் ஆன் வாஸ் வேதா அண்ட் த சம்ஸ்காராஸ் தட் வர் தேர் இன் வேதா. ஸோ இம்மீடியட்லி யூ திங்க் அபவுட் ப்ளீசிங் தி ancestors here. So ichha shraddham is done on those days. Dushta swapna avalokane, when you have a nightmare, you do a shraddham. Nava sasya agame tatha. When a new crop is there, agamam nale harvest is done. When a new crop has been harvested, you again can perform the shraddha on that day also. Eating illana agamamங்கிறது புது வரவு அரிசி வந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கு. அமாவாஸ்யா யதா மைத்ர வைசாகாசு அதியோகினி ஸ்ராத்தைஹி பித்ருகணஹ திருப்திம் ததா ஆப்னோதி அஷ்டவார்ஷிகீம் திருப்திம் ஆப்னோதி. பித்ருகணஹ, the ancestors attain a satisfaction. திருப்திம் ஆப்னோதி அஷ்டவார்ஷிகீம். அஷ்டவார்ஷிகீம் for 8 years. If you perform a shraddha on the Amavasya day, when there is a conjunction of these stars, Maitra is Anuradha Nakshatra, Vishakha Nakshatra, or Swati Yogini, Ati Yogini illa, sorry. Maitra, Vishakha, Swati Yogini Amavasya Yada. When Amavasya, on Amavasya day, when there is Anuradha Nakshatra, or Vishakha Nakshatra or Swati Nakshatra, if Shraddham is performed on that day, then pitragaнаः triptim अष्टवार्षिकीं triptim apnuvanti. The pitras are satisfied, derive satisfaction for 8 years if you do a shraddham on these days. यदा अमावास्या यदा पुष्ये रौद्रे च ऋक्षे पुनर्वसौ 12 तदा तृप्तिं प्रयान्ति पितरः अर्चिताः. When अमावास्या has Pushya Nakshatram, Pushye, when there is Pushya Nakshatra and Amavasya, or இது ரௌத்ர ஆருத்ரா நக்ஷத்திரம், ரௌத்ரம்ங்கிறது ஆருத்ரா நக்ஷத்திரம், ரிக்ஷானாலே நக்ஷத்திர. ஸோ புஷ்யே ரிக்ஷே ரௌத்ரே ரிக்ஷே புனர்வசௌ ரிக்ஷே. Punarvasu, Arudra and Pushya Nakshatram. When these are the nakshatras and Amavasya falls on that day, then the Pitras derive satisfaction for 12 years. Dvadasha Abdam Triptim Architaha Pitaraha Prayanti. If we worship the Pitraganas, ancestors on these Amavasya days, then they get a satisfaction for 12 years. ரொம்ப சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன் நிறையா இருக்குது போல இருக்குது. டாலரன்ஸ் லெவல் நிறையா இருக்குது பித்திருக்களுக்கு. வாசவ அஜைகபாத் ரிக்ஷே அஜைகபாத ரிக்ஷே பித்ருணாம் திருப்திம் இச்சதாம் வாருணே வாபி அமாவாஸ்யா தேவானாமபி துர்லபா. வாசவங்கிறது வந்து இது தனிஷ்டான்னு நினைக்கிறேன், கேட்டைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஒரு நிமிஷம் வியாக்கியானம் பார்த்துடுறேன். வாசவம் ஜேஷ்டா, ஜேஷ்டா நாட் தனிஷ்டா. ஓகே. அஜைகபாத் பூர்வபாத்ரபதம் வாருணம் சதபிஷ நக்ஷத்திரம் சதயம். ஓகே. ஸோ வாசவ அஜைகபாத ரிக்ஷே when there is Jyeshtha Nakshatra or Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatram or Varune in Amavasya. When there is Amavasya and when these nakshatras are there, Varuna Nakshatram is Shatabhisha Nakshatram. Vapi Pitrunam Triptim Ichchatam Devatanam api Triptim Ichchatam Durlabha. So it is this combination is very difficult to find. if அதாவது நீங்கள் சும்மாவானும் கூகுள் சர்ச் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன்னா திஸ் காம்பினேஷன் ஆஃப் சதயம் நக்ஷத்திரம் வித் அமாவாஸ்யா, பூர்வ பாத்ரபத வித் அமாவாஸ்யா, ஆர் வாசவ தனிஷ்டா ஜேஷ்டா வித் அமாவாஸ்யா இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் டு அப்டைன். ஸோ தேவானாம் பித்ருணாம் ச திருப்திம் இச்சதாம் தேவானாம் பித்ருணாம் ச துர்லபா. This tithi amavasya is durlabha. This type of an amavasya is very difficult to obtain for Pitra, for ancestors and for the devas who wish for a man who wants to do tripti for these people. Appadi eduthukanum. It is not easy for a man to obtain these things. Navasu riksheshu amavasya yada eteshu avanipate ததாஹி திருப்திதம் ஸ்ராத்தம் பித்ருணாம் ஸ்ருணுச்ச அபரம். இது அடுத்தது. ஸோ யதா நவசு ரிக்ஷேஷு 9 வந்துதா. ஸோ அனுராதா விசாகா ஸ்வாதி புஷ்யம் ஆர்திரா புனர்வசு, அதுக்கப்புறம் இது ஜேஷ்டா பூர்வபாத்ரபத சதாபிஷ. These 9 nakshatras are difficult to obtain. So it becomes a triptidam shraddham for the Pitris. So it becomes a shraddha which gives satisfaction for the ancestors if someone performs shraddha on these when these nakshatras are joined with Amavasya. Aparam cha shrunu. I will also tell you about the other punya kalas which can be in effect. Geetam sanatkumarena yatha ailaya mahatmane pritchate pitrubhaktaya prashraya avanataya cha. ऐलः इलायाः पुत्रः ऐलः पुनर्वस् पुरूरवस्. पुरूरवस् इस् इलापुत्रः. ऐलः आमा एलापुत्रः இல்லையா? he punar Pururavas who asked Sanat Kumara And Sanat Kumara told him about the Punya Kalam or the Vishesha Shraddha Kalam in the form of a Geetam, in the form of a Geetangarde, that which has been said by him in the form of a shloka. So Sanat Kumarena Geetam Idam Shrunu. Listen to this, these words which Sanat Kumara had told to Aila Mahatma, who asked him about the Vishesha Shraddha Kalam. So Pitra Bhaktaya, who was also, Pururavas was also a Pitra Bhakta, he was very devoted to his Pitris, ancestors. Prashraya Avanataya, who was bowing his down with the great discipline and humility. Okay, now Sanat Kumara Uvacha. This is again in the conversation tree. Sanat Kumara told Pururavas, this is being conveyed by Aurva to Sagara. This whole thing is being said by our Parashara to Maitreya. இங்கே எங்கேயோ போகிறது. பீஷ்மர் யாருக்கோ சொன்னது அந்த இடத்துல நிற்கிறோன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஐ ஹாவ் டு கோ பேக் அண்ட் செக் வேர் வி ஆர். ஸ்ரீ சனத்குமார உவாச்ச வைசாखमासस्य च या तृतीया नवम्यसौ कार्तिकशुक्लपक्षे नभस्य मासस्य च कृष्णपक्षे त्रयोदशी पञ्चदशी च माघे एताः युगाद्याः कथिताः पुराणेषु अनन्तपुण्याः तिथयः चतस्रः उपप्लवे चन्द्रमसो रवेश्च அது வேண்டாம், இது வரைக்கும் வேணும். So these tithis are called Yuga Adyaha. These are the beginning of a Yugam, the 4 Yugas, right? Krita Yugam, the Treta Yugam, Dwapara Yugam and Kali Yugam. The beginnings of these 4 are on these particular tithis. So those 4 tithis are said in the 12th shloka, in the earlier shloka. And the Puraneshu, Ananta Punyaha, these tithis are called, they give you extreme punyam. They are very auspicious, and so he gives the dates here. Vaishakha masasya tritiya navami, tritiya and navami, the third day of the Vaishakha masa, navami of Vaishakha masa, Kartika Shukla Pakshe, இல்ல இப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும். या वैशाखमासस्य तृतीया तिथिः कार्तिकशुक्लपक्षे नवमी, नभस्य मासस्य कृष्णपक्षे त्रयोदशी, माघमासे पञ्चदशी. 4 dates. वैशाखमासस्य तृतीया and then कार्तिकशुक्लपक्षे, कार्तिकमासस्य शुक्लपक्षे कार्तिकमासस्य नवमी तिथि, and then the 13th day, Trayodashi of the Krishna Paksham in Nabhasya Masa. Nabhasyaங்கிறது நபோ நபஸ்ய அப்படிங்கிறது, நபஸ்யங்கிறது அடுத்த ஆகஸ்ட் மாசத்துல வரணும். And then Panchadashi in Magha Masa, Mashi. அது அமாவாஸ்யா. Etaha yugadyaha katitaha puraneshu. In Puranas, these are called as the beginning of Yuga. Hence, Ananta Punyaha, therefore, they are extremely punyakaram. They are extremely auspicious because they are the Yuga Adyam, they are most sacred. These Tithayaha Chatasraha, these 4 dates. Next is Upaplave Chandramasaha, Ravehecha Trishu Ashtakasu. That's what I said. It is only 3 Ashtaka that he says in Vishnu Puranam. Whereas in the Gita press he talks about 4 Shuklapaksha Ashtakam. Shuklapaksha Tithiya solrar. Adu irukadu, iduvada irukano. So Trishu Ashtakasu Ayana Dvayecha. Chandramasaha Upaplave. Upaplavam inge lunar eclipse. Ravehecha Upaplave. And during solar eclipse, Surya Grahanam, Chandra Grahanam. Trishu Ashtakasu. During 3 Ashtakas, which are the Agrahayana Masatu Urdhvam Tisraha Krishnashtami, Krishna Paksha Ashtami, Ayana Dvaye, Uttarayana starting, Dakshinayana beginning. These are also Punyakala. Paniyam api atra tilaihi vimishram dadyat pitrubhyaha prayataha manushyaha shraddham kritam tena samasahasram rahasyam etat pitaro vadanti. Etat rahasyam pitaraha vadanti. This is the secret that the ancestors say, that if you give paniyam, tilaihi vimishram, tilodakam, along with sesame seeds you offer water and எள்ளும் தண்ணியும் விடுறதுங்கிறோமே அது. So if you offer water and sesame seeds on these days, prayataha manushyaha, a person who is prayata, who is devoted, if he offers to his pitrubhyaha dadyat, he has to give on these days. Shraddham kritam tena, if he performs shraddha, annashraddham completely, then sama sahasram பிதரஹ சமா சஹஸ்ரம், அதாவது திருப்திம் யாந்திங்கிறது இருக்கணும் அந்த இடத்துல. they become very happy for 1000 years. இந்த சமா சஹஸ்ரம்ங்கிறது எங்கே போகிறது கனெக்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு தெரியல. பானீயம் அத்திர திலைஹி விமிஸ்ரம் தத்யாத் பித்ருப்யஹா श्राद्धं कृतं तेन समा सहस्रं रहस्यं एतत् पितरः वदन्ति. ஒரு நிமிஷம், let me just check the व्याख्यानम्. पितॄणाम् अर्चनं कृत्वा आत्मनः அதில்ல. ஓகே, 1000 வருஷத்துக்கு அவளுக்கு திருப்தி ஏற்படுறதுங்கிற மாதிரி தான் அதை எடுத்துக்கணும்.
1000 வருஷத்துக்கு சமானமா வச்சுக்கலாமா? 1000 வருஷத்து சமானமா அது பண்ணதாகும்.
சமாங்கிறது வருஷம், அதாவது சம்வத்சரம்ங்கிற அர்த்தத்துல சமாஹா, சரத சமாஹாங்கிறது இருக்கும் இல்லையோ அது. ஈக்குவலன்ட் டு. ஆமாமா. So if he gives just tilodakam on these days, it is equivalent to doing shraddham for 1000 years ன்னு அர்த்தம். அப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும். திஸ் இஸ் த ரகசியம். ஓகே, ஸோ அத்திர இந்த நாட்களில் வந்து இஃப் ஹி கிவ்ஸ் திலோதகம் ஆன் தீஸ் டேஸ், தென் இட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு தேன சமா சஹஸ்ரம் ஷார்த்தம் கிருதம், தென் ஹீ ஹேஸ் ஆக்சுவலி பர்ஃபார்ம்ட் அ ஷராத்தம் ஃபார் 1000 இயர்ஸ்னு ஆயிடுறது. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த சீக்ரெட் தட் தி பித்ருஸ் ஹேவ் செட். சரியா இருக்கா? ஓகே. மாघे असिते पंचदशी कदाचित् उपैति योगं यदि वारुणेन ऋक्षेण कालः स परः पितॄणां न हि अल्पपुण्यैः नृप लभ्यते असौ. हे नृप, सः कालः परः कालः, that time is called the greatest time, that is, it is the best time when यदि माघे असिते पंचदशी, माघे माघमासे, असिते कृष्णपक्षे, पंचदशी on amavasya day, kadachit sometimes varunena rikshena yogam upaiti, when amavasya conjoins with the shatabhisha nakshatram. Actually enna huna, the amavasya tithi finishes earlier and sadaya nakshatram comes in the afternoon. This time actually on February 15th 16th or amavasya came இல்லையா, அன்னைக்கு it was sadaya nakshatram, but the sadaya nakshatram came in the evening, whereas in the morning itself the tithi was over, but the day is a punya kala because there is sadaya nakshatram also. So varunena rikshena saha yogam upaiti yadi, if it connects with, if the amavasya in magha masa connects with the satabhisha nakshatram, saha kalaha पितॄणां परः, that is the best time for the pitrus. Nahi alpapunyaihi asau labhyate. If a person has performed only very small insignificant amount of punya kriya, then this kind of a day will not be attained by him. Only if he has done a lot of punya kalam will he get this time. See, many times that time will be there, we may not be in a condition to perform the tilodakam karyam illaya, and the tarpanam we have to perform on that day. Everything has to combine together. It is only with a person who has done great punyam can perform tarpanam on that particular day. Kale dhanishta yadi nama तस्मिन् भवेत् तु भूपाल तदा पितृभ्यः दत्तं जल अन्नं प्रददाति तृप्तिं वर्ष अयुतं तत्कुलजैः मनुष्यैः जल अन्नं दत्तं चेत् Yadi, when the same, tasmin neva. Tasmin, here you take it as Maghamase Asite Panchadashi. So during Maghamasa Amavasya, if that day is connected with Dhanishta Nakshatram, Keta. So if it is connected with that, then on that day, Tada, Pitrabhyaha tat kulajaihi manushyahi annam dattam jala annam, the water and food that is pindam that is given on that particular day by the people who are born in his kulam, pitrabhyaha kulam tarhi pitaraha varsha ayutam triptim pradadati. That annam gives tripti to the pitrabhyaha, to the pitris for varsha ayutam. Ayutam is dasha sahasram, 10,000 years. So it gives them satisfaction for 10,000 years if we perform Tilatarpanam on Amavasya, Magha Amavasya, when Dhanishta Nakshatra is there. Tatraiva chet Bhadrapada, no Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra is there on the same day, Magha Masa Amavasya. Tatkale, tasmin kale, yathavat kriyate chet, if he gives annam and jalam and tilam, sesame seeds on that day, if he performs the rites, then pitrabhyaha shraddham param triptim upetya, tena yugam sahasram pitaraha swapanti. They sleep for 1,000 yugas. Sahasram yugam. So for 1,000 yugas, they sleep happily. When Shraddha is performed on the day that the correct Sravishtha, correct Dhanishtangarada avittam ketta verado nanikiren. Okay, sorry, Sravishtha nakshatra avittam. Shraddham param triptim upetya, they attain a great satisfaction from the Shraddha that is performed on that particular day when Purva Padrapada is along with Magha Masa. Then Sahasram Yugam Pitaraha Swapanti, they sleep for 1,000 Yugam. Adala Punya Kalam. So if we perform on that, when you do Gaya Shraddham, you can do an Atma Pindam and you don't need to do any other Shraddhana Solra Silaper. They get satisfaction for the entirety of their life or whatever as a Pitra Gana. Depends. Adnala in the Madri Punya Kalangal, we need to know what is a Punya Kala. In the Nakshatrangal number combination, it's very difficult to obtain also. Okay. So, Narayanam Namaskritti Naranjeva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vacham Tato Jayamudirayetu Dhanishthava Ketan